So main body's cleaned up. Pulled the metering rods out and everything, cleaned it all up, pulled the primary jets out, which come out. They're right down in there. Secondaries are non-removable. Don't even mess with them. Just give them a cleaning. And as always with these carburetors, don't stick anything in the orifices. If it looks plugged, just let her soak longer, clean her up. The gunk cleaner that I have for the tank is water soluble, so you can just rinse it with water, blow it off, take some carb cleaner, and just go at it and clean out all your jets. So, anyways, pay particular attention to your air tubes for your secondaries, and these bores here for your metering rods. This one's for a metering rod, which I haven't discovered what it does yet. This is a different carb than I've seen before, but it's got a float system that goes in here. It looks like maybe just a boost. I'll take a look and see, but make sure these bores are clean. Like I say, don't scrape at them or anything else. Clean them only with carburetor cleaner. So I'm going to start putting things together here, and I'll be back to you.